QlikSense components. Here we will look at the different QlikSense components like QlikSense charts, QlikSense bookmarks, QlikSense filters, etc. and see it in action. Filter properties. Here we will go through the properties that is related to the filter so that you can understand what are properties which you can change and make the best use of the filter. So let's go to the QlikSense and see it in action. Here we are in the sales order sheet and we are within the My New sheet, which was default created by the QlikSense. And let's go into the edit mode. And if you are aware from our previous videos, we need to come to charts to create a filter using filter pane. So let's take it outside and put it here. What dimension we want to choose. So let's give it a dimension. Let's say we want to give, for example, order priority name. And order priority is basically a low, high, critical, medium, or not specified. But let's see what are the properties which is attached to this filter. So first thing is the dimension, and over here the field name is written, but it has some properties. So it has a property like field and title. You can change the title and make it like more meaningful, which is helpful for the end user to understand. Similarly, the FX written over here enable you to give expression driven titles, which is an advanced topic and useful for those who have got an experience a lot into development of QlikSense. After that, you have the option of sorting. So over here, sorting is auto. If you remove that or make it off, you have a lot of different options like sort by expression, sort by frequency, sort numerically, or sort alphabetically. After that, you have the appearance, where you can enable that you want to show the title. If you enable that, you get the option to specify the title, subtitle, and footnote. And over here, as you can see, the FX enables you to again give you the flexibility of expression driven name. At the end, you have the option to show or hide the detail, which basically, as per the description, allows user to choose to view details such as description, measures, and dimensions. So these are at a high level properties available to you, which you can change and make the best use of your filter. Let's just try to change the title over here, and let's remove the name and keep it order priority. And as I do that, you can see my order priority is changed. So similarly, you can experiment with sorting appearance and get the desired output from your filters.